Hey, what's up everyone? Today, let's talk about a topic that's become a significant part of our digital lives. Malware. Malware is the #1 cyber threat out there, and for good reason. So, why is it so pervasive? Let's dive in. First things first, what exactly is malware? Malware, short for malicious software, is any software intentionally designed to cause damage to a computer, server, client, or computer network. It sneaks into your system, often without your knowledge, and can wreak havoc in numerous ways. Now, malware isn't just one thing. It's an umbrella term that includes various types of threats, each with its own nasty tricks. For instance, we've got viruses. These little pests attach themselves to clean files and spread throughout your system, corrupting data and causing all sorts of problems. Then there's ransomware, one of the scariest forms of malware. It locks you out of your own files or system and demands a ransom to restore access. Imagine losing all your family photos or crucial work documents and having to pay to get them back. Yeah, not cool. Trojans are another common type. Named after the infamous Trojan horse from Greek mythology, these are malicious programs that disguise themselves as legitimate software. Once activated, they can open the doors for other malware to enter your system. It's like inviting a thief into your house, thinking they're a friend. Spyware is another biggie. This sneaky software spies on you, tracking your every move online. It can steal your passwords, credit card numbers, and other sensitive information, which can then be used for identity theft or financial fraud. Scary stuff. Viruses, ransomware, Trojans, spyware, but wait, there's more. Worms are particularly nasty because they can replicate themselves and spread to other computers without any human interaction. They can cause widespread damage in a very short time. Keyloggers are another type you should be aware of. These programs record every keystroke you make, capturing your passwords and other sensitive information. It's like having someone constantly looking over your shoulder while you type. Super invasive. Bots and botnets are also on this list. Bots are compromised computers that are controlled remotely by hackers. When grouped together in large numbers, they form a botnet, which can be used to launch large-scale attacks like distributed denial of service, DDoS attacks causing websites to crash. Lastly, there's cryptojacking. This is where cybercriminals hijack your computer's resources to mine cryptocurrency. It can slow down your system and increase your electricity bills, all while making money for someone else. Not exactly fair play. So why is malware the #1 cyber threat? Because it's everywhere, and it takes many forms. It's constantly evolving, becoming more sophisticated and harder to detect. And with our increasing reliance on digital technology, the stakes have never been higher. That's why it's crucial to stay informed and take steps to protect yourself. Use reliable antivirus software, keep your systems updated, and be cautious about what you download and click on. Knowledge is power, and in this digital age, it's your best defense against malware. Alright, that wraps up today's video. If you found this information useful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech insights. Stay safe out there, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.